Hey everyone, Frog Kingdom is here. Today I am playing some more Gary's mod. Sorry if the thing is flickering. Yeah. So I'm just gonna make a little RP. All right. So cut the cameras, please. Okay. We cutted him. So I'm gonna get my car. Here's my car. I wanna make it green. Can I make it green? Is there a green color? Alright, that's good enough. Where's my camera? Alright, there we go. So then we got hostile marionette. Dang! Ah! Get cover. I gotta get covered. He's not getting my way. Ow. I'm not going down there, I don't feel like it. Okay, let's turn around. Can't catch me. Yeet. So, I'm gonna go on my car. Get ran over. Oh my goodness! You see, guys, my car is so cool. Oh, no, it's not. I need to get a new car. Please don't tell me I got rid of it. Mine's got rid of it, guys. You know what? Screw this. We're gonna make a video about the Megalodon. Where is Megalodon? Probably in my add-ons. You know that's that's that. You know that's the Nightmare Electronics. Where is it? Hold on. 1 second, people. Oh, there it is. Then we want to choose the tiny one because that one is the biggest. And then we're going to put them in the water. And this one is going to eat. Who's it going to eat? Wait, hold on. Where's the T-Rex? I'm going to change my skin actually. Should I be this? I don't like that. Where's my skin that I have? Is it this blue? No. It's not. It's definitely not blue. What is this thing? It could be Nightmare. What is his body? Skin. Oh. Well, that was weird. Mash. I would mash. I don't see the difference. Wait, guys, do you see the difference? Wait, are they? Oh, there it is. Oh no, look. Are you kidding me? I could have been a frog. Screw that. Um, hmm, let me see my. Hold on, people. Hold on. Sorry if it's wait, is the meg here? Yeah, the meg's in the water. That's the one I have to make sure I didn't kill him. Okay. So then you need a person. Wait, no, you're gonna fight somebody. Wait, no, let's go to my beach. My beach. Wait, no, subscribe. And then let's go to Return of the Kraken. Here is the Return of the Kraken. So the Kraken is just in the water. There's a swarm. And just like pew. Until oh, it just broken bodies. Until the Meg came. And then the Meg and y'all probably already noticed that frogs are my favorite animals. But sharks are also too. So then the Meg was at the surface. They're probably like, wait, why is the Megalodon here in the Kraken? Because this was in ancient times. The Kraken is just going to be a big old squid, okay, people? So the giant squid, basically. And basically, the Meg was so the Meg went deep. And then, out of nowhere, the Kraken came out of the water. And then the Meg came out of the water too. And then he opened his mouth. And then the Kraken went there in his mouth. The Meg was fighting real hard. And then he killed, and then he ripped off a piece. And then the Kraken fell into the water. I'm making a video. Or then he fell. And then he hit him with his nose. And then the Kraken went flying and it broke its body. But then the Kraken grabbed it. They're probably hearing cracks. But then the Megalodon got caught in the Kraken. He was flipping him around. The Meg wiggled as hard, but then his tail smacked it and it hit it to here. And then the Kraken got ripped. And then the Kraken hit him with his head, and the Meg got hit over here to the Meg, flopped into the water, and bit off that tentacle, and that tentacle. And then the Kraken only had one tentacle left. And then the Meg got, and then it was like, finish him or her. I don't know. And so but then when the Meg opened his mouth, you guys, you see the Kraken. And if you guys look, if I ever got y'all a chance to look at the Kraken, look, there's a hook on it. Wait, hold on. You see there's little jabs. So that's when the Meg opened his mouth. And then he got jabbed inside of his mouth. And then the Meg was freaking out. And then the Meg tried to wiggle out. And then it got in there real good. And then the Meg actually ripped off. Then the Meg ripped it off. And then the Kraken was defeated. The Meg was too strong for it. Boom. The Meg went back to its territory. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you want more Gary Mod videos. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.